Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to turn off story suggestions on Instagram. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate and open the Instagram app on your phone. Once the app opens, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu, and it will open the settings menu. In the settings, find and tap on the notifications option. From the notifications menu, select posts, stories and comments. Here, scroll down a bit to find first posts and stories. Once you find it, you will see that the option from everyone is already selected. Now, to disable this option, select off. And that's it. This is how you can turn off story suggestions on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.